Alright everyone, welcome back to another video, and we have one more case unboxing and first impressions for everyone. This is another case for the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. So this is my unboxing and first impressions of the Poetic Guardian series case for the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G. Now, y'all have seen Poetic cases on the channel before, so we should make this video real quick. And I did take a look at the Poetic Revolution case, and this is very similar. It just has a different overall look. But checking out the packaging, now I'm a big fan of Poetic packaging. Real simple, real clean, very straightforward. Nice little company logo on the front. Flipping it to the side, company logo on the side, Poetic. Flipping it to the other side, company logo on this side, Poetic again. Flipping it to the bottom, we're clean. Flipping it to the back, we got a barcode information here. So you scan the barcode, it will take you to an installation guide, installation video, walking you through how to install the case on your device. Alright, I'm going to show y'all how to do this in this video, so no need to worry. Barcode letting you know what device this is for. So this is the Poetic Guardian series for the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G, and this is the black and clear version. Alright, so I already cut the seals off camera, so let's pop into this. Okay. Oh man, I love Poetic cases, man. Boom. Anything else in there? Nope, we're all clean. Alright, so that's everything. Let me put this box off to the side. Alright, and let's see what we have. So this looks like it's the case itself. Let's open this up just to make sure. Alright. Yes, so this is the case itself. Alright, and it does look like it has a built-in plastic screen protector. Okay. Put this off to the side for a minute. Let's see what else we have here. So let me rest this right here. Okay. And then we have some screen cleaning materials here. Alright. You can see the screen protector cleaning accessories. Rest this over here. Then we have the installation instructions, along with another barcode that you guys and gals can scan. This will walk you through how to put on the case, how to fix the screen protector, and how to rescan your optical fingerprint sensor to make sure it works. Okay, so that's that. And then, oh yes, they did it again. They have just a clear front frame. So if you don't want a plastic screen protector, or maybe you have a tempered glass already installed on your device, like I do, then they provided a basic front frame. Alright, so you have the two options. Yes, here's just a basic front frame. So you can rock the case with the plastic screen protector already on it, or if you don't want a screen protector, or you have a nice tempered glass, you have just the front frame and the case itself. Alright, man, Poetic, I love it when y'all do that, man. Thank you, I appreciate that. So let me walk y'all through how to put this case on, then I'll give y'all my first impressions, and we can wrap this video up. Alright, so first things first, let me walk you through how to separate this. Alright, and you want to be careful, just in case you don't want to use the plastic screen protector portion, you want to be careful. So you have to just pull it apart, and you see it separates. So you want to get your finger in the groove and just work your way around. You see that? And let it separate. Just work it around. Let it separate. Just like that. Now, some of y'all may want to start at the bottom. Some of y'all may want to start at the top. Be careful that you don't break the plastic here on the bottom or the top. That would be bad. And then it just separates like so. Right? So this is the back half of the case. Gonna rest that down. And then here is the front half with the plastic screen protector portion. We're gonna leave this together. because I probably won't use this, so we're going to leave this together. Put that back in there for protection, and rest this off to the side. Okay? Let's rest this right here. Okay? Now, what you need to do is clean your device thoroughly and clean the case thoroughly before you put it together. Alright? So, microfiber cleaning cloth. You can use the cleaning accessories if you would like, but you want to clean your device thoroughly and clean the case thoroughly. So let's clean off the device. Alright. Okay. Device looks clean. Okay, let's rest this down for a second. Let's clean off the inner part of the case. And you can see we did get some dust particles in here, so let's clean this off. Make sure that's nice and clean. Did they have any plastic that we have to remove? It does not look like it. Oh, they do on the back. Okay, so we have to remove this plastic here. Okay. And let's clean this off. Let's make sure. Okay, so this is nice and clean. Okay, everything is nice and clean. Now, let's put this bad boy together. Let's go. Let me rest this right here so it doesn't get dirty again. Now, you just want to line up the front frame with the front of your device and click it on. So here we go. That's the bottom. That's the top. Click it into place. Apply even pressure. Just make sure it clicks into place. Just like that, and you can see the front frame is on. Just like that. Okay? Now we want to take the back of the case, put it into place, and work it around. Right? Similar to the Poetic Revolution case. We're going to do the same thing. Now, again, you can start from the sides, you can start from the top, you can start from the bottom, however you want to do it. So for me, I'm going to start from the side, so we're just going to put it in here and push it down. Okay, and you just want to push it in. That was super easy. And then make sure all the plastic bits line up. So push this down and make sure it clicks into place. And there we have it. All right, and then make sure all your plastic bits line up. So you can see the border is open here. I don't know how well y'all can see that. We just want to apply even pressure and get that plastic bit to line up nice and smooth. Just like that, nice and smooth. Boom. And now the Poetic Guardian Series case is on our device. So now we have full protection for our device, right? And I gotta say, this looks really, really good. Now, first impressions of the case, it is picking up fingerprints, but it's very hard to see unless the camera hits it just right. But you can see it does pick up fingerprints. But we do have full protection. So we got a nice raised lip for our camera lenses and our flash. So you can see nice deep raised lip. So if I drop it back down, no problems. My device is fine. Okay. Then we have a nice raised lip for the display with a nice plastic protective border. Right. And you can see I did have my tempered glass on here, and my tempered glass works just fine. So if I drop it face down, my device is A-OK. Alright? And then checking out the screen protector here. Let's wake it up. Everything works, no problems. And it works even as though I don't have a screen protector on the device. So installation on this one was very straightforward, very easy, and I hope that helped. First impressions of the Poetic Guardian Series case, it seems to be really good. Oh, let me check the clickiness of the buttons. So let me be quiet, let me click these buttons, and let me see if y'all can hear this. Alright, super clicky buttons, super tactile buttons as well. So we get full protection with maximum functionality on this one. Alright, so good stuff. Good stuff indeed. Alright, so again, first impressions of the Poetic Guardian Series case. for the Samsung Galaxy A54 5G, it seems to be a really good case. Now, once again, I'm going to rock this case for about a week, and then I'm going to come back with you guys and gals and give y'all my overall opinions and let y'all know if this case is worth picking up. Alright? So, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed this video. I hope y'all found it helpful. If you did, you know what to do. Please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. Also, my bad, I can't talk today. Also, if you guys and gals would like to see more content like this, please feel free to hit that subscribe button down below and make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. And that being said, if this video piqued your interest and you would like to know where you can pick up the featured case and or the featured device or any recommended accessories, all the affiliated links for the case, the device, and any recommended accessories, along with my extended coverage, will be available down below in the video description. And as the name implies, when you guys and gals use those links, I do get a small percentage of kickback that I do put back into the channel at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So those affiliated links are a win-win for everyone, in my opinion. Okay? And like I said, all of my extended coverage on the A54 5G and its extended and its accessories, screen protectors, cases, what have you, all the recommended accessories will be linked up down below in the video description as well. So the video description will truly be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. Alright? This whole video here today has been recorded with the rear-facing primary camera on the Samsung Galaxy S20 5G in 1080p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below. As always, all your feedback is greatly appreciated. Alright? That being said, I hope everyone is having a great day. I hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next one. Have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Peace. Alright, that was super easy. That was even easier than installing the Poetic Revolution case. Alright, I think I'm really going to enjoy this. This is giving me flashbacks of some other devices that I use the Poetic Guardian series case on. Alright, let's get out of here. Have a good one, everybody. Catch you in the next one. Peace.